So I've just bought some of this because I have a pink Bugaboo donkey hood, and obviously I have a little boy and I just couldn't get one in the right colour. Now this says that it dyes more synthetics. Obviously the hood is 100% polyester. It says obviously pre-wash the fabric, use half a bottle for every pound of dry fabric. For polyesters, use double the dye quantity. So this whole bottle of 7 ounces, I need to put the whole bottle in this pan. And it says add a teaspoon of liquid dish detergent, which I've already done. I've put a tablespoon of fairy liquid in. So I just need to bring this to just before boiling the water. I've used the water at the hot tap anyway, which is fairly hot, to speed things up a little bit. But obviously now I'm waiting for it to go just before boiling, and then I'm going to add the dye in and then add the hood in. Is the donkey hood. I tried with some Dylon, and it's literally just taken in little tiny places around. Like basically there's a band in here. And it's taken a little bit around the edging. And I've got dye all over my fingers from the Dylon. All around the edges it took of the white logo, but nowhere else. But yeah, as you can see, it's baby pink. I opted for that one as I have a hot pink hood as well. And I thought, well, I may as well dye the baby pink one because it should take a lot better on that one. So I'm just waiting for the water to heat up, and then I can add the dye in and then add the hood in. I can't really see, but the water's steaming a fair bit now. So I've got this, I've undone it ready. It says it's graphite grey, looks black, but I don't care, grey or black, either will do. Just going to add this in now. It's all gone, it's all out. Yep, all out. So now I'm going to give it a stir. Don't worry, it's a pot that I hardly ever use anyway. And this spoon I hardly ever use as well, so I'll just give it a big stir up. And obviously I'll give this good sterilising before I use the pot anyway, because this is a pot that I only ever use in winter for making jams anyway. So it'll be fully sterilised, or I'll just chuck it in the cupboard for dyeing. But that's the water sorted. So now to get to the hood. So there's the hood, and I'm just gonna place it in and hope to God that I've got enough water in here for it to submerge in. And hopefully this will dye to the grey colour. So here's hoping. It says it takes like half an hour to like 90 minutes. So I'll update you soon. So we're about, I don't know, 15 minutes in, and you can't really tell on the camera because it's got like a dark purpley colour here and like a light purpley colour here, which is obviously something that I thought may happen, because they didn't have black, they only had the graphite, which is really, really dark grey. But obviously it's only 15 minutes, and it does say a minimum of like half an hour or something like that. Yeah, 30 minutes, or until desired colour is achieved, up to 60 minutes. Nylons dye faster. Fabrics will look darker when wet prior to washing. Rinse with cool water until water runs clear. Wash in warm water with mild detergent. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. You can't really see on video, it's like a purpley colour still, but we're coming up to an hour, 10 minutes away from an hour, so 50 minutes in the liquid. I've not stirred it because I've got little one in the front room with my 12-year-old watching, which she doesn't mind anyway, but obviously I prefer to be leaving this covered. Obviously I've been poking it under the water when it's in. I've just brought it up to show you just here the colour, but yeah, like you can't really see it, but it's like a dark purpley colour. So it's been an hour. I've just took it out of the pan. It's bloody hot. I've got no gloves. I've just got more dye on me. But it's out. So I'm going to give it a rinse and then I'll show you what it's like afterwards.